One giant pumpkin. Now let's go. Our little pumpkin patch. We are gonna pick a pumpkin first. Jeff, I think this.
How about this pumpkin right here?
What pumpkin?
This one.
Nah, that's an old pumpkin.
How about this one?
That one's too small.
Too small?
Yeah.
How-
This one's too white.
Too white.
And this one's too colory. That one's already decorated, Jasmine.
How about this one right here?
This one's already decorated too. Yeah.
That was a nice
It's
one.
already decorated. And this one's the perfect one.
What about this one?
Now that one's already painted. Yeah.
How about that one? That big one.
Nah, it's too big.
Too big.
Yeah.
So where's the perfect pumpkin?
This one. Yeah, this one.
This one?
Yeah. But this one's an old one.
All right.
It's turning like this. It's turning like this. So we got all the supplies that we needed. We got a pumpkin and we got the supplies. We will tell you what the supplies you need to carve a pumpkin. So here are the scoopers. And here is the daughter. Well, this makes dots, as you can see. Yeah. This is a little thing where I forgot the name for this, but there's also this book. Yeah, it's where the stem. We're gonna put this on the thing. We're doing the cat. So sorry if you don't like cats. So we're doing the cat, and this thing is to trace it out, so we know where we're gonna carve. These are the little things to do it. Okay. Yeah, and these are the little carvers. Now let's get started. Yeah. Cut out our stencil of our cats. Yeah. We cut our picture out. Now we're gonna tape the picture onto the pumpkin. Top of the pumpkin to get the guts out first. Yeah, and then we're gonna dig. I'll get help because Mommy already helped out. Is my Mommy?
I think it's already cut. It just won't come off of the.
It's that side. You know how to do it like that?
Guts won't rip out from under.
Whoa! Is it so cool how we? Oh!
Now you gotta use the scooper.
I'm just scooping it off, but we're gonna scoop out the guts. Yeah, ew. This
Mommy.
smells disgusting.
Mommy, can you do it with me?
This is for my small shovel. Please help me. discretion because you might hurt yourself.
Super cute and super nice.
So let's put it in with the rest of the pumpkin.
Do another one. Tonight we're gonna do a live. The inside is so
Dad, I have something to say.
Yeah.
Tonight we are going to do a live video and we will show you what it looks like at night. So hope you guys be there.
And we're gonna make another.
Many hours later.
Okay, it's the right time, guys. Now we have our cat pumpkin, and now we're going to put the candle inside of it so it can be like a pattern lantern. You have to light the candle and make sure to get grown-ups help. So we are asking our mom to put the candle inside. Again, you have to ask parents' permission to do this.
Mommy.
We are going to turn off the lights to see how our paddle lantern looks.